Hi guys, in this video today I would like to show you how to check the CO2 in case of fire in engine room and in case of fire in cargo holds. First, we have overviews on the system with components and arrangements of the equipment. Now we are being here in fire station where you can operate the system remotely, and you can see this control van cabinet, control van cabinets for cargo holds, for engine rooms. So we have 4 cargo holds, and here is a control cabinet where we have 2 bottles of pilot gas. Here we also have a quick closing van system, which we can use to stop the fuels from the fuel tanks to DCs, to main engines, boilers before discharging CO2, and also can stop the fire dampers, close the engine room fans dampers. Here is emergency stop for fuel pumps and ventilation fans. Okay, in engine room, the arrangements of CO2 nozzles, you can see here all protected areas to be covered with various nozzles. Here you go to CO2 rooms, where you can see also the same in fire station, with one control station where we can operate the system. We can release the CO2 by activate some van here from control cabinet and from van control cabinet. After, I will explain to you how to use this system. This is all the same in the fire stations. Here you can see this relay box where you can stop the fans, engine room fans and ventilation fans for cargo holds manually. Normally this auto stop when the main vans is open, but if you have some problems, you can stop manually. Here you can see the main vans for engine rooms CO2 systems. This is operated remotely by pneumatics, and also have a limit switch to indicate the position of the van. This one is for cargo hold, main van for cargo hold. So we have 4 cargo holds, so we have 4 main vans. Also operated by pneumatics air, and we have limit switch at the back side. Okay, here is the smoke detecting system for cargo holds, continuously monitoring by these 2 small fans, continuously suction the air from cargo holds and sending to this box to giving the alarms for identifies cargo hold. So the operators can decide which cargo hold to be discharged CO2. Instead of discharging manually, you have to close these two-way valves. Here you can see the cylinder. This tire valve, and totally we have 124 cylinders. Instead of fire in engine rooms, we can discharge all the 124 cylinders within 2 minutes. Okay, we will go through the system by study the principal operation with details drawing, and I have simple simulations for you to easily understand. Right after open the control valve cabinet, there will be coming the warning alarms. However, this is only warning alarm. In actual fire, so when hearing the alarms, the people have to evacuate from the areas. First, we have to open the van number 1 at van control cabinet. This is for the main vans. For sure, you cannot open number 2 because they have interlock here, so this cannot be wrong operation. After opening number 1, we can open number 2. This will be open and ready for releasing the CO2 from the cylinders. Then from control cabinet, open one or both pilot gas ports. Then open the number 1 valve for control cabinet. After open number 1 valve, the pilot gas will activate the main valve, and at the same time the alarm will come in with the engine room fan stop. Here you can see the electrical circuit drawings indicated that the engine room ventilation fan will be automatically stopped, which will be done by main valve limit switch. Next step, at the control cabinet, we will open this valve number 2. This is to open the CO2 cylinders and allow it to be discharged. After 30 seconds or 40 seconds, the release valve will be opened. This allows the people in the areas more times to evacuate after hearing the alarm. Okay, the pilot gas will connect to the B position, and this allows to activate all the cylinders. We have 124 cylinders for engine rooms. So once we have fire in engine room and decide to discharge CO2, all the bottles will be discharged. This will be discharged within 2 minutes, and for sure before discharging CO2, we have to evacuate from the areas. Okay, now we can see this principle for cargo holds firefighting system. Some items is same with engine room, and there's some difference. So we can see here from the van control cabinet, we can select this number of cylinders. After opening the van number 1 at control cabinet, the pilot gas will activate the main valve, and same this ventilation fan will be stopped, alarm will be coming, and also have two-way valves also closed automatically. This is to prevent the CO2 blowback to the smoke detecting systems. Okay, next step, we will open this number 2 valve earth control cabinet. After 30 seconds, the relay valve will be opened. Allow the pilot gas to open the cylinders corresponding with the valve number 2's earth valve control cabinet position. If we select position C, we can discharge 36 bottles. If we select position B, we can discharge 73 bottles. And just position A for 108 bottles. This depends on the cargo hold capacity and fire in cargo hold. How big is the fire in cargo hold? Okay, now we can see the CO2 discharging to cargo holds. Here we do the samples for cargo hold number 4. So the same with as the cargo holds. So as long as you select this valve control cabinet to be operated.
So when you activate the room 3, only the fan stop. Fan not stop, only damper terus. Sorry, fan stop to be here. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So when you activate this one, this quick closing fan will be closed. That's the normal sign. So the fuel will be stop supplying to the pump and supply to DC and main engine. This will be stop. So this one using when before you decide to discharge CO2. So before discharging CO2, you have to activate this first. So engine will stop. Yeah, that's all about quick closing. Okay, when we open the cover, these two limit switch will be closed, then the alarm will be activated. When discharging of CO2, first we open this valve number 1. This one push up to open, and then only you can open number 2 after you open number 1. Number 2, pull down to open. This for cylinder. For the releasing the CO2 from the cylinders. This one for main van. Open the main van first. Release the cylinder. Okay. Testing finish. Okay. In case of emergency, just put it glass to take the key. So now for testing, for inspection, I will remove this one. First step, we can remove this one. Now you can see this lock, interlock. So you cannot operate number 2 first. You have to operate number 1 first. Yeah. Number 1 open. Yeah. And then open number 2. This position now. This one here. So normally already have interlock. Yeah. This one easy to break during operation. Okay. So this open this air, open this pilot air. Okay. We will open this one for cargo hold. Okay, try with number 4. Elect, can you stand by to stop alarm for cargo hold? Okay. You can see also same engine room. We have number 1 for main van. So first you have to open this for main van up. Only this one, 1, 2, 3, you can pull down after you open the main van. So depend on the cargo hold, how big the fire. So we can select this one. Yeah. The quantity of cylinder will be open. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
No, to limit switch. When this one release, the alarm will be activated. Okay. Going to the main van. Okay, it's a emergency. If every control station cannot work, so from fire station or from control station we cannot release CO2. So in case of emergency, we have to do manually. Manually open the main van. Open the main van for engine room. This one for cargo hold. Take out the pin. Pull up the lever. Okay. If you want to release with cargo hold, you select this one. Okay. After open the main van, we will go here for manually remove this safety pin. Then open the cylinders. Release the pin. Open this lever. Then the CO2 will be discharged. So for engine room, we will discharge on 124 cylinders. For cargo holds, depend on you, how many you want, you can release. Okay.